What's up, guys? I did not post the other video. I'm gonna just like,
¿Ya estás viendo la nueva serie de
but we're back with part 2. I'm back with the part 2. So I'm gonna have to go soon, so it's not gonna be like a 10-20 minute video. And I'm sorry about that. Well, no man. And if everyone like a long video, I'm sorry, but I cannot do that. Collect pollen as you walk through flower. Oh, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna get 4,120. There it is. What the picture is happening? So what can I not? What the frick is happening? Okay, both still playing. Both probably AFK. What the frick is happening? I mean, why? Okay, my guy. Why didn't? Okay, I fooled him. Okay, I'm gonna have to get that. Oh, yeah, okay, dude. I don't know why you didn't do that. I don't know which one. Okay, name all of this. Wait, wait a second. What is this? What is this? Hey, what the heck is that? Damn, only like pollen away. Like if I can get that, I want that. I want that. What is that?
Mateo,
What?
can you find you Matias another sweater, please? And put it on the car. Ven con mami, mamá te lo va a dar antes. Check it in the car. No, pero ahí dejan el carro, no lo quiero ahorita puesto.
¿Y dónde se fue Majo? ¿Se fueron? Ya no me entendieron, pero esto no me quiero dejar.
Espérame.
Para que no me hagan caso.
So I'm gonna have to go, guys. I'm really sorry. I'll go a part 3.
Comprarle su bufa.
And I
Que
really
como a las 8 dice que va a pedir y que va a pagar con la tarjeta.
And I really thought
Le echo unos pañales.
I'm just gonna have to go. I'm sorry. I never thought I was gonna create a part 3, but now I'm gonna. And if I can somehow like put all the clips, I could probably make a full movie. Or something. I don't know how they make full movies. Like a full video or something. But yeah. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna just try to. I'm gonna get the. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Peace.